Okay, so we're back with this fan. It's a little hard to see, but this is a hunter low profile. But let's start with the light. Anyway, it's very bright. This is like the kids' room, I could say. And there's like 3 beds, so that's really cool. I just wanna get a closer look. Anyway, start with it on low. This fan is very fast because it's probably 32 inch. I'm not sure, but I'm just guessing. This fan has a very small hum. I kind of do like that. How it does have a small hum to it. It's good. I just want to get a top inch. I'm not the best because I'm not sure if you can see it, but I tried getting the blades up on top, but yeah, I could probably tell it's a hunter low profile because it's a bit faster and yeah. So let's turn it on medium. Yeah, I kind of do like the pull chains because what they say is like I'm not sure if you can see, but I'll just turn on the light. But so they have that little it's Hunter. What is it? Yep, that says Hunter. So and then this is on the other pull chain. So that's honestly pretty cool. So it's either a Hunter low profile or like a Hunter Ridgefield. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but anyway, let's turn on high. This is starting to wobble, so oh gosh, this fan really wobbles, guys. But that is not good. It is wobbling at the light kit. I'll show a quick. Can you guys see it wobbling? That is not good. We will shut that off. That was not a good wobble. That did not sound very good. Okay, we'll just do a quick spin down here. Alright, well, there we go, and we'll see you later.